Hello, here is the simplest way on how to solve the trigonometric ratios of some of the special angles. Some of the special angles like the angle 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90. So you have these special angles when you find the sine and when you find the cosine by using the ratios of the triangles. Here is the simplest way. So if we highlight those angles and we draw a tape like this, so for the sine we know that it increases from 0 to 4. In the same case we have from cosine decreases from 4 to 0, and then you divide everything by 2. Now we want to find the ratios of this. So if you find the sine 0, the sine of 0 without using a calculator, now we can come on this. Remember, we have the sine root here, the sine root. If you find the square root of 0, you divide by 2. If you find the sine of 0, you divide by 2, you will have it. This can be confirmed by saying we have sine 0 divided by 2. So in this case you get 0. You find the sine of 0, you get 0. So if you find the sine 0 divided by 2, you get 0. That's angle. You get the sine of angle 0 as 0. The same case, you find the sine of angle 30. We have 1, the square root, then divided by 2. The square root of 1 is 1, and then you have by a half. And then if you say sine 30, you have a 0.5. So this proofing. Same case, we have sine 45. The square root of 2 divided by 2. The square root of 2 divided by 2. If you find it, you have 0.7071. This, you find the sine 45, you could have it. Also, if you find the square root of 2 divided by 2, you have the same answer. And then we have the sine 60, where the square root of 3 divided by 2, where we can say sine 60 give us that one. But if you try by saying the square root of 3 divided by 2, you have the same answer. This lastly we have sine 45, the sine 90,